Climate change has had a wide variety of impacts on the Earth in the last 100 years. The most impactful, in my opinion, on the people of Eritrea has been drought. It is threatening the lives of thousands in Eritrea, as they are victim to Africa's highest food insecurity and malnutrition. Food security, as we learned in Module 9 and in the Freshwater Resources article, refers to factors that positively or negatively affect the supply of food that is needed to keep populations nourished. Their vulnerability can be pointed to inefficient land use, land degradation, and new form of government policies. The country has an annual rainfall of less than 350 millimeters, in which most of that comes from their summer rain season from July to August. Eritrea is anticipating an increase of overall temperature that exceeds the global average increase, with temperatures ranging 1.1 to 3.8 degrees Celsius higher than that it is now. Changes in precipitation are undetermined, but there could be a change of negative 13 millimeters to an additional 19 millimeters per month. If this is true, on the positive aspect, the impact on the communities can either be reduced conflict of water use, and if it sways in the negative aspect, it is certain that current issues such as land degradation, overgrazing, depletion of groundwater will only continue unless efforts in the future to help the country are increased. It is proposed that future meteorological and climate modeling research may be conducted along with more efficient means of developing and maintaining their agriculture.